Welcome to Dorman Products installation video for our OE FIX coil spring bracket repair kit. This money-saving kit was designed to allow rusted original equipment spring brackets to be replaced while preserving the axle they're welded onto. We're installing this kit on a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The procedure will be similar but may vary slightly for other vehicles that use an axle-mounted coil spring bracket. This installation is considered difficult and may take 12 to 16 hours to perform. With the vehicle properly supported, follow the factory workshop manual to disconnect the steering and suspension components, drive shaft, and brakes so the axle can be removed. Before starting work, take accurate measurements for spacing of critical references, such as the distance between sway bar links. Secure the axle on a stable work surface where a cutting torch and welder can safely be used. Use a cutting torch or cutoff wheel to remove one of the original spring brackets, leaving the other side intact for reference. With an angle grinder, remove any remnant material from the original spring mount, being careful not to grind through the axle housing. Although the new brackets are finished in weldable primer, you may wish to clear the primer from the area to be welded to ensure a clean arc when you start the weld. Position the new spring mount on the axle, referencing the opposite side original mount to locate the new part properly, including its horizontal mounting angle. Tack the mount into place and double-check positioning before completing the weld. Then weld the new bracket to the axle housing. Repeat the process for the opposite side, using the newly installed spring mount as your reference. For best results, paint the new spring mounts and weld joints with chassis paint to prevent rust formation before reassembling the axle in the vehicle according to the manufacturer's recommended procedure. If at any point you have issues, the Dorman Technical Support Team is standing by to help.